How to fix iPhone personal hotspot not working on iOS 16. Hi guys, welcome. So first of all, the first solution is you have to open up your settings and you have to simply go for the hotspot setting and simply turn off your hotspot and again turn it on, and maybe this solution work for you. But if it didn't, you have to move to the step number 2, which is you have to go to general settings and you have to scroll all the way to this reset or transfer iPhone and click on reset and reset all the settings on the top and simply enter your passcode and you are good to go. So once you are done, and if this didn't work for you, you have to move to the step number 3, which is you have to shut down your iPhone. Simply go to general and shut down your iPhone and restart it. So that's how basically you can fix your iPhone personal hotspot not working.